Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to split a video into two parts in Shotcut. So if you want to split video into two parts, here's a quick guide on how to do that. So for you to be able to split a video, you have to add a video to your timeline. So to add video to your timeline, just go to your playlist, and my playlist is currently here. Then just click and drag any video to your timeline. Then once the video is being added to your timeline, then you can now move your cursor to any part of the video you want to split. Now I have to place this moving cursor to the part. Alright, so now I have to move this cursor to the part of the video I want to cut to two. So now this line is in between so for me to be able to cut this, I have to click on this playhead. So I have to split at the playhead. So I'll click on this, and this will split the video, and this splits the video to two parts. So this is part 1 and part 2 of the video, and that is how to split video into two parts in Shotcut. If you find this video helpful, turn on the notification button and follow for more content like this.